guys, how you doing? I know that I've kind of dropped off for a little beat, but that's partly because I was whisked off to Atlanta to go and shoot a movie that I'm not really allowed to talk much about, but I can show you some things sneakily, as long as you don't tell anyone. I can show you this. I can show you our fantastic AD team. I can show you her. We met on Black Widow. This is Chessie. I can show you a sneak peek of some of the sets. We're in the studio right now. We're in the studio that we're shooting in on this movie that I can't tell you much about. But look at that. That's on a bell. That means they're shooting. I'll be quiet now. And then I can show you that. What's that? What's gonna be in there?